Morning viewers, Pwalpar here. I'm going to make a little video today. I got a couple flower pots I need to get potted up. Winter time coming on. But a subject came to mind I thought I'd talk about here momentarily. And I'm going to call it, don't let your bird bath freeze. Now, what am I talking about? See, this bird bath is full of water. Well, in the wintertime, that'll freeze solid as a rock, and it's made out of concrete. I know this from experience, so take my word for it. A certain amount of water soaks into that concrete, like right here, you can see it's wet. Well, when that freezes solid, it cracks the cement. The cement starts to break and bust up. Within 2 years, you'll have cracks going all the way through that cement bowl portion. It just lifts off. So this is my second or third bird bath top, the same pedestal, because all I had to buy was a new top. You can go to Walmart and pick up a new top for about $16, $18, but I saw no point in buying a new pedestal because I still had one. But I've learned over the last 3 or 4 years to take the top off and turn it on its side and just lean it up against the pedestal here on the ground so it won't freeze in the winter time. Well, the birds can't swim in frozen water anyway, so there's no point in filling your bird bath in the cold regions in the winter time. They're going to have to get their water from rain or snow, or you could put out a bowl or a dish for them or something. But my advice to anybody, especially with a cement bird feeder, or one that might crack if it's porcelain or whatever, drain it in the winter time, put it away, tip it on its side where it can't collect water or something. A couple of years I just carried it around and put it in the garage, but now I just leaned it up against the pedestal. Why? Because it's too dang heavy to tote around there. I'm gonna get on to my flower pots, and I might show you what I've done when I get through. You don't need to watch me digging in the dirt. Alright viewers, I got 3 of my hydrangeas that I rooted back in July, transferred to a bigger pot. I'm going to try to overwinter them in the basement, close to a sunlit window. Try to get a better rooting system, get them growing better. I'll put them out in the yard somewhere during the spring, if they make it. I think if I put them out now, this late in the year, they might not make it through the winter. So we'll nurse them along in the basement. I got a couple more. My yellow flowers that I rooted over there, they're not doing too good anyway, but I ain't got a whole lot of dirt left today. I got that many done. I started out with no hydrangeas, and now I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 growing out there in the yard. We're gonna have a big supply of hydrangeas if they make it through the winter. Anyway, I just want to touch base with my viewers and remind you to think about things outside. Don't let your bird bath freeze. Y'all have a good day.